Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to watch YouTube while playing Roblox. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open YouTube app and play the video that you want to watch, then swipe up from the bottom of your screen to go home. Now, open the Roblox app and start playing your game. With YouTube Premium, the video will continue playing in small window using picture-in-picture mode so you can watch and play at the same time. If the video disappears, go back to YouTube and make sure that picture-in-picture is enabled. And on iPhone, open the settings and click General and select the picture in picture and turn it on. And that's it. That's the easiest way to watch YouTube while playing Roblox using the YouTube Premium with picture in picture mode. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.